just do a grande vanilla sweet cream nitro cold brew with extra sweet cream in it, please.
All right, sounds good.
And that'll be it.
Perfect. We'll see you up here for back anytime.
Thank you. Thank you. You too. Good morning. Right now I'm going to go see my friend Corey. We're going to get some cool shots of me and we're going to go hang out before work today. And I reached out to him and I was like, hey man, I want to get some new shots done because it's been a while. Because you know, I kind of model if you didn't already know. I just want to add to my portfolio. So we're gonna go do a little mini photo shoot and kick it before I got work later on today. I met Corey back in 6th grade. We went to 6th grade camp together back in elementary school, and then later on when we like came back from it, I found out that he actually lived right in front of me, and I never knew. He's probably the person I've known for the longest, actually, like friendship-wise, which is actually pretty funny because it's been like a long time. Oh wow. What are we doing today?
Doing a photo shoot. Maybe a little bit of fishing. We'll see how you feel.
That's probably what these are for.
I remember working on a car. Did you see it?
Alright, we made it to El Dorado Park. We're gonna go to a little riverbed over there and do a little shoot down by the water. You look so small.
Fresh look deep down, I know she riding. That's a pen to be, but hey, she don't even got the proofread. Me and you.
What's this fishy thing called?
The white thing?
Yeah.
Or the plastic?
The blue fish with the yellow eye.
Yeah. Swim bait?
Sick. Doing a little fishing detour. There's a little drone flying up there somewhere.
So I guess you never bury me. Got something big up in my sleeve, Ron Jeremy. Never was a game, at least not to me. If fornication is a case, and I'm guilty first degree in the promised land, away from Babylon. You could take a little nap, I can put you on my back so we can carry on. I be supernova. Can you kiss me when you so?
Alright, the shoot was very successful. It was great to kick it and take some cool photos. For the first look, we used a riverbed that the Santa Ana River goes through, which was pretty cool. It was pretty empty. And then for the second look, we used some electrical towers as like the backdrop, which was pretty cool. Alright, if you already don't follow me on my Instagram, it is in the description box below at the Sunny Boy.